KIRK stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question. So I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video. As I'm looking at Kirkland, I'm looking at this and I'm not bullish whatsoever. You know, like I do see the price melting. Yeah, it might have gone up 6.72%, but what I'm not gonna do is just, you know, just immediately get involved into this. I mean, mainly, let me just, boom, that's the bottom, that's here. Right. So for me to really be bullish, first of all, there must be a big catalyst, or second of all, a big crazy candle close above 2.08. If neither of those things are met, then I guess I'm not going to be selling. Really. So if you don't want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, just feel free to click the first link in the description and get my free emails and insights. And I'm not sure if in the Discord, yeah, it's not resulted in any freaking receipts there as of yet. But yes, I'll keep you updated. Goodbye, Ninja.